Hey, in this video, I will show you how to see recently watched videos on TikTok. It's actually a very interesting tutorial to find videos that you might find entertaining because you watched them, but now you can't find them anymore. So here's how you do it on any iPhone and on any Android device. If you appreciate me making a video just like this, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is go on TikTok, click on not the inbox, click on the me profile at the top right corner. You want to select the second option, which brings you to every video that you've liked. So currently TikTok doesn't store data about the videos you've watched that is publicly available to you or privately available to you, but they privately show you what you've liked. So I recently liked this video, the guy with the roses or whatever, and it showed here. So if you like a video, my advice is to like it while you watch it, so you can find it here later on. This is information that only just you see. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see the next one.